Heavy rains and floods hit the cities of Poland. Gniezno, Bielsko-Biala, Kedzierzyn-Kozle, Nowy Sacz, Warsaw are just some of the cities in Poland that have experienced flooding in recent days after heavy rains. What happened on Tuesday in Bielsko-Biala was a major flash flood. In less than 3 days, almost as much water fell on the city as should have happened in a wild month. Until yesterday, since the beginning of June, the total amount of precipitation was already 131.6 millimeters.